Wow!
Mommy,
Open mo nga. Anong meron dyan?
look.
Look, open mo nga, Moira. Here. Yeah, that one. Open. Wow, toilet! Wow, automatic! Oh my goodness! It's like Japan! Wow! Oh yes, another staycation. And this time here at Okada. Fine. Wow, this is Okada. Yes, oo, iikot ka ata. Paano mo pumasok? It's so big. It's so nice. Yay!
There's even Japan thing.
Japan sign? Oh, wow! I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, we're so excited. Are you excited? So, ayan, check in with the dog.
Hot dog.
Guard dog, stay there. Come on. Daddy will park muna. Can I see you? Open your jacket. Trust basis. Bahala na daw yung things. Let's go. Oh, enter. Ah, wait, you need to put our things here. So, it's the cutest. Ang ganda. Ang ganda sa Okada. Finally. So, yay! We're here at Okada. Ayaw pang bumaba ni Kuya. Si Daddy. Oo. Yeah, doon ata ang check-in because there's the casino. We're not allowed there.
Why?
Because it's for big people. We're not allowed, yes. So, sobrang pretty ng kanilang reception.
Isn't that amazing?
So, from the Pearl Wing drop-off, this side goes to the restaurants. And this side naman goes to the Coral Wing. Dito pala tayo. Pwede rin mag-check-in dito. Kasi yung room natin mas malapit dito. So, might as well check-in here na lang sa Coral Wing. So, let's go. Oh, look! Na-distract na naman sa mga pagkain. Oh, pagkain na naman yung nakita natin. Later, after we check-in. Come here. So, this is the shortcut to the Coral Wing. I'll take your picture. So, grabe. Ang gagwapo ng mga nagtatrabaho dito. Oo, kasi rin gwapo. At marami tayo na pagtanungan. Oo nga, my phone is shaky because I'm walking and I'm just using cellphone. And let's look here. We'll go out and look for Daddy and Kuya. So, they have Randy's Donuts here. And Starbucks. Let's go look for Daddy and Kuya. Ah, so this is the Chillscape. Alam ko ito sa additional fee. Ah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's complicated. It's for adults. kids. Yeah, I know. What's this? Oh, restaurant. Ano ba yan? This is so heavy. Thank you. Ayan, bit-bit ko kasi ng laptop. Si Sir Ning. Madaldala ng laptop ako naman pinagbubuhat. You cannot be there because it's for big kids. Ah, here. Somewhere here. Ah, there's the Jollibee. Yeah. Ah, this is para yung the fountain show ata later. Yeah, I need to video this. Oh, and there's Panda Express too. Wait. Oh, so ang dami palang kainan. Oh, now it's Fridays. Nasaan ba sina Daddy? Mary Grace daw sila. Oh, this is a Japanese restaurant. Ah, baka somewhere there. Oh, we can eat pala in different places. Ayun pa, Las Flores. Wait lang. Oh, ayan, Las Flores. No running. Nasaan ba ito Daddy mo? Nasaan na daw? Go to Mary Grace. Ah, this is the Texas Roadhouse. This is where Kuya wants to eat. Ah, kaya pala. Ito yung fountain show for later. Oh, birthday boy. Dito gusto. Para sa free peanuts. Ah, there's Mary Grace. Ayun si Kuya. I saw him na. Asa yung lounge for the fountain show? Ayan o, may Mary Grace din. I'm so tired. Where are they? Grabe, ang laki-laki pala. Ay, so Kuya na. Where did they go? Ah, there's Nonos. O, diba? Sila twinning. Oh, Kuya, your shirt is wet. Oh, pareha silang naka-body bag. So cute. So, nalungkot si birthday boy. Hindi kami matuloy sa Texas Roadhouse kasi sadly, walang eat all you can peanuts. Out of stock na daw sila. So, ayan, naghahanap kami ng ibang kakainan. Napakaselan pa naman. Masaya-saya niya na may Texas Roadhouse dito. Kaso nga pala, magte-Texas Roadhouse for the peanuts. O, dito na lang, La Piazza Restaurante. Ito, yan, no. Kaya lang baka presyong ginto. Ako magbabayad. Jollibee na lang tayo. What's this? The cutest.
Wow.
A Korean restaurant. Ako, mas lalo hindi kami pwede. Pakahirap pakainin yung Miyapa. It's so cute ha. The ambience inside. Open 24 hours. Wait, that's it, Miggy. That's the only option. So, may toy catcher. O later, let's try to get toys. Ah, ito pala yun. Gusto ko ito. Ito cute. Later makabili. Wow, ito yung gusto ko later for dessert. So, mas inuna pa po nilang maglaro. Gutom na yung nanay nyo. Mas gusto mag-toy catcher. Perfect position daw itong mga anime na to. Pabigyan natin. Oh, birthday boy. Go, gay. Go, go, go. Go get. Continue stop daw para ma-unlock yan. Naku, it's not working. Hindi totoo yung trick sa TikTok.
Bruh.
Sorry daw. Is that true? So kahit walang free peanuts, out of stock, dito pa rin kami. Yes, cool na cool and chill na chill siya. Buti na lang, maraming free bread. Okay na, wala na kami ibang order. Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy! Si Mami ang maraming food. Wala pa yung food ni Kuya. So, it's really a happy birthday for Kuya. Dahil naka-promo si Texas Roadhouse. 50% off si BPI credit card. So, 50% off yung bill namin. Ang saya-saya. So, nagkagulatan. Ako yung binabati. Oh, di ba? Nanam ng birthday ni Kuya. Say thank you. Thank you po. Wow. We have a surprise for you.
Ice cream.
Hello. I'll take your picture pala. Oh, di ba? Pati pala yung coral wing na reception. It's so pretty. Wow. So, we're on the 11th floor. What room?
63. 063. Right.
It's so nice. I'll try to be quiet.
Yeah.
1101. Here ba? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, it's so nice. I'm so happy. Ako talaga yung happy, hindi yung birthday boy. Wow, it's so spacious. This is twin, double, daddy no, deluxe pa nga to eh. It's so nice. Pwedeng connecting room. That, kuya, no. Pwedeng connecting room, but there's other people there. Oh, this is not complimentary, so no touch. Oh, let's open. What's that? Ay, wow. Open mo nga, kuya.
Bathtub.
Wow, this is the nice CR. Oh, wow. Pwede na ako ditong matulog. Oh my goodness. Daddy, ganito ay papagawa nating CR sa bahay. Ang social. Wow! Open mo nga. Anong meron dyan? Look, open mo nga, Moira. Here. Yeah, that one. Open. Wow, toilet. Wow, automatic. Oh my goodness.
Isn't that amazing?
It's like Japan. Wow. Aray ko. How about this? Open this. I think this is the bath area where you shower. Careful. Wow! Parang wala ka ganito sa mundo.
Wow!
Wow! I love it. Bilang ang sakit ng tuhod ko. Perfect. Parang maligo. Wow! Puro wow! Finally! Gusto ko talaga mag-okada. I love it. Wow! Kita yung food. Wow! Wow, this is the garden view. Don't lean on the glass, ha? Baka malaglag tayo. And that's the pool area. Wow! Ay, grabe. Kita yung Manila Bay. I love it. So nice. Thank you, Okada. Concert yarn. I love it. Happy birthday, Kuya. Oh, very high-tech. Pati ito. At ito pala, hindi ko na-cover nung nag-vlog kanina. Dito pala is where you put your luggage. At saka andito yung bathrobe. Oh, kung nahihiya ka, dito ka magbihis. Ang cute! Very spacious. Tsaka marami kang malalagay at open. Ayan yung mga gusto ko. Laundry bag at utility bag. I love it. May weighing scale pa. Oy, don't close. Oh, may pa-slippers din. So, ayan. Nalabas ko na ibang freebies. So, this is the sanitary bag from the toilet. At andito pala yung iba. O, diba? May vanity kit, hairbrush, shower cap. At andito yung mga toothbrush. Tapos andito sa drawer, ang social nilang blow dry. Ang haba. Ayun din yung socket. Panalo. Konting chill. Habang yung isa, F na F yung banyo. Dito nakatambay. Tingnan natin. Why are you there? You like it there? And ito, yung mukhang mamahaling chest. Ano bang laman nito? Safe. So, andito pala yung safe. And this, wala. And this, wala din. I think yung mga big part. This is the glass. Ay, ang social. Naku, baka mabasag. So, wag na natin gamitin yan. And this, wala lalagyan din. And this is the private bar. Apparently, hindi pa ito yung mini fridge daw. O, diba? Siyempre, may bayad yan. So, ayan din. And, mind you you can request mini bar, mini ref, aside from this. Very accommodating sila, sobra. Sobrang nice. Yung mga anak ko, ayaw na umalis dito sa banyo.
Sitting around in the back.
So, kalimutan ko pala ipakita. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kasosyal yung mga water. Pag yung mga mamahaling hotel, ganito, refillable yung water nila. Pero social, naka-glass. Tapos yan, may expiration date. Ganyan. Tapos ito yung complimentary water nila. May kettle, may cups. Tapos andito pala yung mga free coffee and tea. Hinahanap ko kanina. Yan, may kutsarita din. So, drip coffee. Gusto ko 3-in-1. We're in the 3rd floor. We go to swimming. Ayan, hingi tayo ng tuwalya. Towel. Nagbe-video lang. Sir, pwede po makahiram ng towel? May infinity pool. Oh, taray. It's so big. Moy! Like it there? Look here! Uy, look here! I don't want.
Wanna come here? No.
Ayaw. So, sabi, hindi magsa-snacks kasi busog. Pero naka-fries at potato wedge and mango shake. So, may nag-doorbell. May pa-snacks. Ang cute. Tingnan natin. Anong laman ng snacks? Banana chips. The sweetest. Nag-aabot pa sila nito sa guest. Ang cute. Hindi lang banana chips. Mga anik-anik. Ayan o. Cute ni Okada. Tapos, tingnan nyo, pag nag-request kayo, nagbibigay sila ng ice. Tapos, pag kailangan mo ng utensils, yan. Pero yun nga lang daw, pwede mo lang daw ipasok sa Okada is yung mga nabibili sa Okada. So, yan, kanina nag-lunch tayo. Nag-take out natin. Tapos, marami nabibili ng food. Tapos, may 7-Eleven din to buy your snacks. Ito kasi mahal. Kaya, for display only. Hindi natin ginagalaw yan. So, ang ganda ng CR din paggabi. Tingnan nyo naman ang palighting. Sorry, medyo makalat na. Nagamit na. So, ayan. O, diba? Nakikita nyo ba yung labas at night? Cute. O, diba may palighting na si, Okada. Tapos yung pool, medyo madilim. Open si pool hanggang 8 p.m. Social. Medyo madilim pala. May mga ilaw-ilaw. Pero yan, mas bagay siya pag couple. Pag kids yung dala mo, medyo hindi ko gusto. Medyo hindi mo nakita yung anak mo. So, pang na to, pang yung mga couple. Ayan. Best pag swimming ka ng gabi. Tapos, hintayin natin yung fireworks later. Kita dito.
May pa yung buwan.
Ang ganda na. Look, siya na yung gumagawa ng forma niya. Hindi ako naggayak dyan.
Wow!
Pati hairstyle niyan. Turn around. Show your hairstyle. Diba? Kailangan may nakalaglag sa mukha. Face hair na. At pati pagsusot ng jacket, kailangan ganon. I'll take your picture later. So, Okada at night. Napakasikip pala. Dapat nag-preserve na kami kanina palang lunch break. Wow, look! So, dinner time. Still here in Okada. Diba? Kaya gustong-gusto ni Miggy ng staycation. Kasi, mas gusto niya sa room. So, dadaanan na lang namin siya or dadalhan na lang namin siya ng food. Kaya, best for his birthday celebration ng staycation. Kaya gustong-gusto niya yung mga room bed. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga bed and pillows sa hotel. Buti na lang tong ka-Berks namin. Masarap kasama.
Did you eat the cream?
Yes, and yung order. Nihiwalay naman yung mga mushroom. Pinapakain sa akin yung cream ng ano yan, chocolate mousse. Magbe-breakfast buffet kami ni Mr. Pure Energy. Kaya kailangan ka medyo magbihis, hindi pwedeng pantulog. Kasi dito ka dadaan. Para madadaanan mo yung mini mall nila bago ka makarating doon sa buffet area. Sakto, my favorite egg station. Sakto, mag-request na tayo. Ano sir? Omelette with... OMG, halo-halo. Siyempre, halo-halo tayo in the morning. Avail natin to lahat. Mahal itong breakfast. It's so nice. This is the soup station. You can customize. Diba, ang daming option. Nalula na ako. Mga different sauce din. OMG, ang tayo nag-option for dessert. Nakakaloka. Oh my God! What is? Grabe. Nalula na tayo sa dessert. Sa dessert pa lang. May churros pa. OMG, buong station. Isang buong dessert. Kung malula ka sa bread, grabe. Hindi ko pa pala ito naikutan. Oh, ang social ng butter. Ang laki. Malula tayo sa bread. May malaking na tela na mabenta. So nice. Kanina pa kita hinahanap. Dito pa lang pala. So, silipin natin. That's beef soup. Oh. So, beef naman. This big eggs. Ang bigat ng mga lalagyan. Hard-boiled. Ang daming egg. Lahat ng klase ng egg. Pwede ka magpagawa. So, ayun na si sir. Nanginginain na dito. Ako, ikot pa rin ang ikot. Daddy, ang konti ng food mo. Lugi tayo sa buffet. Damihan mo. Ka lang? Get your own. Get your own coffee pala. So, syempre, since ang laki ng buffet area, as much as possible, kinukuha na natin marami. Para hindi tayo ng tayo. So, babalik lang tayo for dessert, tsaka iba pang gusto natin. Tikman natin a little bit of everything. OMG, andito si John Prats and yung wife niya, si Isabel. Ang cute kay John Prats ako na to. Kababata ko. Yun ako kababata. Alam mo lumaki parehas. So, marami nang wala sa buffet, 9:30. So, buti na lang may halo-halo pa. Tapos you can customize kasi ayoko yung mga beans. Bay na puro baba ko yung nakuha. Halo-halo. And honeydew. Bitin ang buffet. Hindi ko na-consume madami. Ito, kinuha ko kasi super cute. Look! So, ayun guys, malapit na tayong mag-check out. At syempre, maliligo tayo. Dahil sayang naman ang mga Roberto Cavalli na conditioner, shampoo at body wash or shower gel. Napakabango. Kaya syempre, naligo tayo. So ayun, I hope you enjoyed our short vlog dito sa Okada, Manila. Until our next staycation adventure, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification button para ma-update ko kayo for my next vlog. Bye everyone! Heart, heart!